What's up, guys? It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shavon.
And today, as you guys see by the title, man, we're getting some food.
Guys, I told him that we need a date. We need a date night because we work a lot, and then when we're not working, we're working on our second job, which is YouTube. Guess where he took me?
To Denny's, guys. Your boy is cheap. What's wrong with Denny's? What's wrong with Denny's, baby?
He took me to Denny's. I'm thinking something like Red Lobster or...
Girl, you're tripping. That's expensive, girl. You tripping.
I actually want to try Red Lobster. We never been to Red Lobster.
She said she wasn't going to Denny's. I'm like, you want me to pick? Okay, babe, we're going to Denny's. So we're at Denny's right now, guys. So we better go to Denny's, get some food. You know what I'm saying? Because your boy's hungry. Your girl's hungry. I know she's hungry.
I'm hungry.
He's starving.
Whatever.
So wait, where you thought I was going to take you?
Huh?
Where you thought I was going to take you?
Well, I thought we was going to go date night. Not date day.
Date morning.
Date morning.
Man, it's 9:42.
I thought we was going to go date night so I can get all dressed up, put on my heels, my makeup, do my hair and all this stuff and that.
I was like, babe, what you doing? Babe, come on, we're going up the street. Come on, man, come on, let's go. We're finna get some food.
I'm like, well, I got to get ready. I got to do hair. I got to
like,
do makeup.
no, man, we're doing something simple. We're going to Denny's to get some food.
He set me up, y'all. He set me up. But that's cool. I can eat. I like Denny's anyway, so it's cool.
Good, because your boy is cheap.
Whatever.
I'm on the budget.
It's okay. It's not going to be like that forever.
True. Anyway, guys, how is your day going? My day is going to go. It's a beautiful, Thursday morning?
Yep, Thursday morning.
Beautiful Thursday morning. I know your day. I know you guys are doing good, too. Yes, we're doing good. Journey with us. You know what I'm saying? Hope you guys like the videos and whatever we've been doing. High five. I know we're doing a good job. Yeah. Thumbs it up. Yeah, I'm on.
What? Yeah, I'm on.
Alright, guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Yes, you.
Follow us on all social medias as well. It's going to be in the description below. Below. Alright, guys. Let's go eat because I'm hungry.
Yes, I'm hungry too. So
I'm hungry. Alright. Hey, guys. Hi. Hello.
So, guys, we didn't know. Well, I knew, but I forgot that they play music in Denny's. So I don't know if you guys can hear the music, so we won't be able to vlog that long for you guys. We're gonna get like snoops, and yeah.
But I look good in your camera. Let me see how mine look. Baby, you making me want that phone now.
This don't go in the video, you know, right?
Huh?
This don't go in the video.
Oh, you recording?
Yeah, we're gonna be like.
Hey guys, we're done eating. We ate all our food except for some stuff because it didn't look right and it didn't taste right. So
Nasty ass grits or whatever it's called.
just oatmeal. I thought I asked for grits, but she said I said oatmeal, so it's okay. So, yeah, it's good. I didn't use them, so this one's still clean.
Okay, all right. Thank
So
you.
up there, right?
Thank you.
Yes. Okay, the register.
Okay, thank you. Y'all, Queen is our waitress.
I thought her name was
Queen is.
She's not Queen. It's not Queen.
Says Cassie. Her name tag says Queen. Her name tag says Queen, so we were served by Queen. Okay, y'all. This is the closest to Queen Asher we're gonna get right now. Peace.
So guys, we just got to eating. Wipe on eating, consuming. Baby, how was your date?
My date was good.
I don't think I can't see, guys.
Can y'all see me?
How was your date?
My little head. My date was good. I
You liked
enjoyed
it?
I liked it.
You liked it?
You ain't got me in the camera.
Oh, I don't know. I can't even see. It's so bright.
Yeah, I liked it, y'all. It was cool, I guess. I'm full now. Look at my stomach. Can y'all see it? Little Bennett on the way.
Wait. Little who?
Little Bennett. Look, y'all. I'm showing.
Showing what? You showing us your big ass stomach?
See, look.
A fat pack.
My fat pack. Oh, wait, babe. Let me get in first. Thank you.
This girl here.
Oh,
Oh, it's hot. But yeah, guys, the food was good, man. I enjoyed it. The wait. My back. My back.
wait, babe. Sorry.
The waitress, she was good, man. I don't know if she ever see this vlog. Shout out to you.
We got served by Queen, y'all.
Yeah, Queen. Shout out to Queen.
Lord Jesus, this is fire.
It's hot. Y'all, look how hot it is in here.
It feels like somebody kicked me in my leg.
Yo, 100 degrees, bro. What the hell?
Look, it looks like someone kicked me in my leg.
What's wrong with your leg, my guy?
Like right here. It hurt. Hi guys, we are in Wally World.
Guys, we're making a quick Walmart run. Getting some stuff we finna do for a challenge that y'all finna see after this video.
After this video.
Not really after, but you know.
Couple videos after, probably.
Yeah.
Walmart.
I'm still full from that food.
I am too. That was a good feast. Y'all need some beer or something? Maybe you want to get some wine?
Get some Guinness and Upperton idea.
Some Guinness and Upperton.
Upperton.
Okay.
Upperton.
What?
No.
What's Upperton?
I don't know what that one. That's too big for you.
Man, your camera close.
See?
Yeah, you got hurt. Yes.
Man ain't gonna hurt me. Man ain't gonna hurt me. Oh, this damn phone. Guys are using their phone because the camera is too big. I ain't feel like walking around with it.
Okay, baby.
Y'all already know what we're doing, man. Y'all already know what we're doing right here.
You want to get these?
Go, gaga.
Oh my gosh. Here you go with the goofiness.
Goofiness. I'm a
Goofy goofer, yeah.
You're
A goofy goofer, yeah.
We're
Goofy goofers, yeah.
Goofy, yeah.
Why? You're so silly. You're so goofy, man.
Alright guys, you guys see we are driving back home. We didn't stay too long in Walmart, man. It was a quick. I don't think we stayed more than 5 minutes. Like a quick run in and out.
Yeah.
We're almost to the crib. We're finna, close this video out on a good note. Then jump right into the next video. Then jump right into the next video. Then jump right into the next video. You know what I'm saying? This lady looking at me in the car.
Oh, really?
She's probably looking at me like I'm crazy.
Babe, I want us to get a matching tattoo. Not that one. I'm not getting that.
What's wrong with this one?
I'm not getting that.
What's wrong with this one?
If I get that, it's gonna be a baby,
The
baby
king.
one. It's gonna be a baby one. Oh, you should get a lion. I should get a lioness, huh?
A lion who? Ness?
A female lion.
Oh, a female lion?
You should be a lion. I should be a lioness.
I ain't if you down for it. No.
I don't know if I'm down for all that.
No for it.
I want to get a matching tattoo. We've been talking about getting a matching tattoo since we were best friends.
We didn't get one because of her, because she's scared.
I got a tattoo though.
Go show them closer.
Y'all don't come for my tattoo. It was a free one because we went to I went to get me a piercing, and my brother, he got a tattoo for $80, I think. And it's like, if you get a tattoo that's more than either 20 or 60, you get a free tattoo. So they was like, you want to get one? I was like, I guess, but it has to be something real small because I don't know if I'm ready for this. But yeah, we're gonna get a matching tattoo, y'all, so stay tuned for that one. We'll get like a small.
You the
pun that. Yes, you is gonna pun that.
What?
You gonna get one of that.
What is you talking about, man?
You talking about me no pun that?
Me no pun that? What is that?
I don't know. You said it. How you not gonna know what you said, bro?
I know what I said.
Well.
Me no pun that.
Me no pun that.
That pun that.
That's my arm is hurting, so we're gonna hurry up and close out this video. So yeah, guys, we'll see y'all in the next video. Guys, subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment in the comment section below what part of this video you like and what you want to see, and you know, let us know stuff and all that other good stuff. So yeah guys, we'll catch y'all in the next video. Babe, you got something to say?
Osh.
Oh, I thought you was gonna say yo.
Up top.
Oh Lord. Alright guys, peace.